And I've also got some new tires to put on the back. Look real nice. Pretty expensive too. Okay, before I start this, I'm gonna get a measurement. And I think the best place might be from the bumper. So let's see what we get here. Okay, I'd say that's about 16 3/4. And I've already measured the other side, and it's real close to the same. Okay, let's get started. Let's have a look at this tire here. I don't know if you can see it, how crooked it is. Obviously the belt's broke. And here it's worn more than the other sides. And the date code on these were, where is it? Right there, 00, so 2000. So they're a bit on the old side. Alright, so I have the van on some jack stands on the body. And still have a jack under the differential, so I'm going to loosen these U-bolts and lower the axle. I won't bother showing you this, I'll just come back when I have it taken off. Okay, so I got the U-bolts off and I dropped the axle a bit. So now these do have the original, I don't know what these are called, shims or something, probably just for, so they don't squeak. I guess there's some in between here as well. So there was only two, one was here, one was there. So now I'm going to need probably one here. This came from up there. I'm going to put it here. And then I made something here out of just it's a cutting board, a nylon plastic color cutting board. And just put that one on top. So I'm going to put this together. The shim, the lift goes here. Like so. So let me get this straightened out and then I'll come back and show you. Okay, so let's lift it up into place. Now I know this isn't the best thing to do. I don't even really like doing this, but it looks like this spacer is the same size as the perch here, so I'm hoping it's not going to cause an issue. Well, I guess we'll see what happens. So I'm going to put the U-bolts on it now. There's this cap that goes on top, like so. So let me put the bolts on and show you how that looks. Okay, got it all back together. Torqued the bolts to, well, about 100 foot-pounds. I am a bit apprehensive about this. This could end up costing me a lot more if I break these leaf springs, but what the heck. Okay, I'm going to do the other side. I'm not going to bother filming that one. I'll show you the van when it's all done. Okay, so I finished installing the 1-inch lift kit, and just see how it looks here. I think it has a much nicer stance. It is an inch higher on the back. Before it looked kind of saggy at the back. I like it. Hopefully nothing bad happens because of it. And it was pretty simple to do. It cost about $100 in total with the kit and the U-bolts.